what's up? I'm back again with another video, and this video is going to be a challenge where you have to do makeup of your entire face using all the products under ₹100, and this is a challenge given by Shreya Jain. So in this video I'm going to do makeup of my entire face using all the products under ₹100. Even the tools that I'm using, like the beauty blender, the blush, even the mirror I have, they all are inclusive 100. Except the one for which I became a little bit lenient is this Cameo's eyeshadow plus blusher palette video. I'm really excited for this video, and I must say I remain intact with all the high-end products because I just don't want to play around with my skin. And also I used all the products which are easily available in the market. So if you guys can think over it and you also want to do a makeup using all the products under ₹100, so you can easily find to your nearby shop. And this is the final look which I have come up with using all those products. And yeah, without much ado, let's start this video. As a primer, I'm going to use this lactic calamine, and this retails for ₹58, and this is available, very easily available in any drugstore. If you want, you can use this lactic calamine as a primer, and also any aloe vera gel, because they both have a lot of glycerin, and glycerin is very good for your skin because it just moisturizes your skin. At the same time, when you apply foundation after applying this, your foundation and your makeup stays for long and doesn't get cracked. So I'm gonna take it in back of my palm, and then with the help of this finger just start dabbing on all of your face, and then starting from the center of your face, start blending it in circular motion on your entire face. Keep doing the same thing until it becomes tacky. This part is done. Now I'm gonna apply foundation to my face, and for foundation I'm using this Pond's BB cream, and this retails for ₹75. Now I'm using this Babila's beauty blender, and it's already used once, and this retails for ₹85, which is also easily available. Now with the help of this beauty blender, I'm gonna just blend it in my entire face until my face seeps the entire foundation or BB cream. So just starting from underneath your eyes, just keep blending it in. Now you can see it's completely blent. It's like it's looking sheer, so you have to, go all over with the concealer. Now I'm gonna go all over once again on the areas which I find a little bit darker than the tone of my face. So I'm gonna go underneath my eye, also on my eyelid, on the side of my nose, on the chin, on my upper lips. Now just rubbing my fingers in this motion. Now you can see my face is almost concealed, and it's giving me almost full coverage. Now foundation part is done. Now I'm just gonna bake my face all over with the help of this Lakme foundation. I've been using this since last 1 year, so it's it's almost gone, it's almost worn out. So I'm gonna use this sponge which comes with this, and just pressing this powder onto my sponge, I'm just gonna bake my makeup on. So I'm gonna apply it on the areas which needs a lot of coverage. So I'm just gonna dab it over underneath my eyes, especially underneath my eyes, onto my chin, on my upper lips, on the side of my nose. And by the time I'm going to use this Lakme eyebrow pencil, which comes in black color, to make my brows in proper shape. So what we have to do, we just need to hold it from the edge of the pencil and just go in short strokes on my eyebrows. I think my eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna just dust off the extra powder which is on my face. I'm using the same compact with the help of this sponge and just going in circular motion onto my face. At the same time removing the extra powder which is there on my face, just dusting it off. Now baking and everything, the base is almost completed. Now I'm gonna take this kajal and just dab it over my eyelid in any random direction. I don't need to be perfect on this because anyhow I'm gonna make smoky eye look. With the help of this finger, just keep rubbing it until it gets blended with your skin. Doing it again on the another eye. Just go all over once again. Now again with the help of your fingers, just rub them so that a proper transition is formed. As you can see, it's almost blended. Now I'm going to take this palette, and this retails for 150 rupees. This is actually, I could not resist to buy this because you can see it says it's Cameo eyeshadow and blusher palette. So it has a combination of some warm tone eyeshadows and also two shades of blush. One is salmon pink and one is rose pink, and also it has very light shade. If you can see this pink, just very light shade with a hint of silver, so I'm going to use it as a highlighter. So I thought instead of investing money on all the three products differently, let's take this, which is it's a combination of all the three things. I'm going to take this flat brush. So I'm just going to go with this shade towards warm brown tone and just dab it my lid. Again with the help of my finger, I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend it especially at the crease area so that there is no harsh line visible of different color. I'm gonna apply the same on another eye. I'm also gonna take this copper color. I think eyeshadow is almost done and it's standing out completely. Now I want my eyebrows to stand out with this makeup, so I'm just going to use this very light color, which I'm going to use as highlighter, and just applying it just underneath my brow bone. And if you want, you can apply eyeliner if you're a liner lover, and if you don't want it, you can just go ahead with the mascara. Just use a proper mascara so that your eyes will stand out very beautifully on your face. So right now here I'm using this liner from Lakme, and this retails for 110 rupees, but I got discount, so I got this for 95 rupees. So I'm just gonna first shake it well and then apply on my eye. I've not created a very dramatic wing, I've just created a very soft wing which I'm gonna recreate on my another eye. So yeah, my liner part is done. Now I have to use mascara, but since I could not find a good mascara in this range, so what I'm gonna use, I'm just using the stick of my mascara, my previous mascara which I already have, and again using this, I'm just dipping it inside my liner and using it onto my lashes. I must say liner also acts as a very good mascara. If you don't have mascara, you can go with this option. I'm again gonna go with this eyeshadow palette and using the same eyeshadow which I've used on my upper lip. With the help of this pencil brush, I'm just gonna smudge it on my lower waterline. I'm not going to apply kajal because I'm lighting this way only. So my eyes are done. Now I'm gonna go with the blusher which I have. With the help of my two fingers, also on my nose, to give, to almost contour my nose and give my face sharp features. Now again I'm gonna take this pencil brush and use this highlighter and apply it on the corner of my eye. Now makeup is almost done. For highlighting, I'm again gonna use this, and with the help of my finger, I'm just gonna dab it over my face so that it doesn't look very gaudy. Then again going in circular motion onto my cheeks, and also pushing it backwards. I'm just gonna blend it on my face. Going all over again on my another cheek, tip of my nose, on my cupid bows, also on the arch of my eyebrows. So highlighting, blush, everything is done. The only part left is lipstick. So I'm using this L18 lipstick, and this retails for 120 rupees, but on discount also I got this for 105 rupees. So yeah, I'm gonna use this on my lips. So yeah, this is the final look I've come up with using all the products under rupees 100. So this is something you can, wearing this makeup you can very well go outside, which is good to go to any party or sort of thing. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give a big thumbs up to this video because that would mean a lot to me. And also subscribe to my channel. And for those who have not yet subscribed, you can still subscribe to my channel. You just need to subscribe that button which is right there down the bottom bar. So yeah, this was all from this video. See you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye.